A few months from today, we will be electing our next set of leaders. How would you describe the kind of leader that our society needs?
Thank you for the question. I believe our society needs a leader that possesses empathy. Because when we empathize, we connect with others. We build trust and through empathy we ensure that we take into action the needs of others. And a leader, as someone who illuminates the path for those come after them. Thank you.
A few months from today, we will be electing our next set of leaders. How would you describe the kind of leader that our society needs?
Thank you for a wonderful question, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Election is coming. Politics. Politics has a very important role in our life. What we vote affects our future. So, we should choose a good leader and a transformational individual because she will be a role model that young people will look up to. And I thank you.
A few months from today, we will be electing our next set of leaders. How would you describe the kind of leader that our society needs?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, every leader has a unique characteristics of becoming a leader. And to be a leader, you must know how to gather your members or your people to follow you. So, what kind of leader I want to vote for the next few months is a leader who has the characteristics of being knowing how to empathize with others and being responsiveness. Why empathy? Because I know that a leader must possess or must know how to understand his or her people's emotions and feelings, not only just to sympathize with them, but to understand their well-being. Responsiveness, because our leader must know how or he will react on something or relevant issues, and he or she must be resilient in any way. Therefore, I conclude that our leader must always be a solution to our problem.